Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a game changer for your gut and waistline intermittent fasting. First off, let's break down what intermittent fasting actually is. Simply put, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. There are various methods, but the most common is the 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. Now, why is this beneficial for your body, particularly your digestive system? When you fast, your body has a chance to rest and repair. It's like giving your gut a mini vacation. This break allows your digestive system to catch up on any unfinished business, reducing inflammation and promoting better digestion overall. But that's not all. Intermittent fasting can significantly impact your weight loss journey. By restricting your eating window, you naturally tend to consume fewer calories. And when your body isn't constantly in digestion mode, it starts to tap into stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. You might be thinking, is fasting going to leave me feeling starved and deprived? Actually, many people find that after an initial adjustment period, they feel more in tune with their hunger and satiety signals. You'll likely experience fewer cravings and more control over your eating habits. Let's talk about some of the specific benefits for your gut. Intermittent fasting helps to balance the gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract. A balanced microbiome is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and even your immune system. Plus, it reduces the risk of gut-related issues like bloating and IBS. Another fascinating aspect is autophagy. During fasting, your body initiates this process where it cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Think of it as a deep cleaning for your cells, which can lead to improved gut health and overall wellness. If you're ready to give intermittent fasting a try, here are a few tips to get started. Begin with a shorter fasting period, like 12 hours, and gradually increase it. Stay hydrated and focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. And remember, it's important to listen to your body and adjust as needed. So if you're looking to boost your digestive health and shed some extra pounds, intermittent fasting might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Give it a try and see how you feel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your healthiest life. Until next time, take care.